The Develuck 10/11.26-inch Dash Cam 4K Car DVR is a powerful and versatile dashboard camera that combines advanced technology with ease of use. With 4K resolution, 3840x2160p for the front camera and 1080p for the optional rear camera, it delivers crystal-clear video recordings, ensuring you capture every detail while driving. The 11.26-inch intelligent LCD screen with a 1920 by 720 IPS display provides a wide, high-definition view for navigation, video playback, and real-time recording. This dash cam supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with both iOS and Android devices for easy access to music, maps, and calls. One of the standout features is its multi-audio output options, including SPK, built-in speaker, FM transmission, AUX, and Bluetooth 5.0. This flexibility allows you to choose the best way to deliver sound, whether through your car speakers or the device itself. For smooth performance, the dash cam supports external memory up to 256 GB, ensuring you have ample storage for long road trips. The device also supports a wide range of languages, including English, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, French, German, Russian, and more, making it accessible to users worldwide. When using the Develuck dash cam, there are a few important guidelines to follow. If the touchscreen becomes unresponsive, a screen calibration process is required. Simply press the screen with 5 fingers until a plus sign appears, then follow the prompts to complete calibration. Additionally, the dash cam only supports the rear camera provided by the store and is not compatible with other models. For optimal performance, always use the included cigarette lighter power cord to maintain sufficient voltage. Avoid powering the device through a USB data cable, as this may cause insufficient voltage, repeated reboots, or permanent damage to the device's motherboard. A unique feature of the T313D model is that it does not include a front-facing camera, focusing solely on rear-view functionality if the optional camera is added. When using CarPlay, note that its Bluetooth connection does not link directly to your car's built-in Bluetooth system. However, dual Bluetooth modes allow your phone to connect to both CarPlay and your car radio simultaneously, offering a smooth and uninterrupted audio experience. With its advanced GPS navigation, dual lens recording, and intelligent features, the Develuck dash cam is a perfect solution for enhancing your driving experience. Whether you need reliable video evidence, real-time navigation, or seamless smartphone connectivity, this device is designed to deliver high performance and ease of use.